Let's dive into how you can regularly hear iji when discussing ideas like keeping systems running smoothly or upholding certain standards in various situations. The word iji means to keep, maintain, or sustain something. It can refer to maintaining a situation, condition, or state, whether in physical, emotional, or administrative contexts. The first kanji means maintaining or a kind of thread-like fiber and suggests holding things together. You can see it in seni, where it gives the idea of fiber or threads, and in ishin, where it implies carrying forward or renewing something. The second kanji means to hold, have, or keep, and gives an active sense of possession or continuation. It appears in jizoku, to express continuing or sustaining, and in shoji, to mean having or possessing something. Let's maintain purity. Seiju wo iji shimashou. Seiju wo iji shimashou. He maintains peace. 彼は平和を維持する。彼は平和を維持する。I maintain my mood. 私は機嫌を維持します。私は機嫌を維持します。The most common synonym for iji is hoji. While both mean to maintain or keep, hoji often emphasizes the idea of holding steady or preserving something as it is, showing slight differences in usage context. The most common antonyms of iji are haki and hoki. Haki refers to discarding or abolishing something, while hoki indicates abandoning or giving up something, showcasing contrasting actions to maintaining or preserving.